Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Zenma coffee. Start by choosing fresh, medium roast beans and weighing 18 grams for 2 cups. Grind to a medium fine texture that feels like wet sand. Heat water to 92 degrees C and bloom the grounds for 30 seconds. Pour slowly in concentric circles for even extraction, then let the brew rest 45 seconds before serving. Enjoy the smooth, balanced cup. Share this with a friend. Weighing and grinding set the stage for a great Zenma coffee, so be gentle and deliberate. Use 18 grams of beans for 2 cups and grind to a medium fine texture, like wet sand. A burr grinder gives consistent particles, which help extraction. Keep your doses steady and note any changes to roast or grind size. Small adjustments will clarify flavor and move your cup toward perfection. Quick recommendation: if you like the vibe, please subscribe and like this video to support more easy coffee tips. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for kitchen timers, hands-free recipes, and adding music while you brew, and it fits neatly on any counter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Heat water to about 92 degrees C and gently wet the grounds to bloom for 30 seconds. This releases gases and improves flavor. After blooming, pour slowly in concentric circles to ensure even saturation and extraction. Aim for a total brew time that yields balance rather than bitterness. Let the coffee settle for 45 seconds before pouring. Taste and adjust grind or dose in small steps for consistent, enjoyable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.